All right, sis, another day, another voluntary recall. This has been like millions of cars this year. This year alone, this time it's a voluntary recall from Honda.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so Honda is recalling 406,290 Civics in the U.S. due to a manufacturing flaw that could cause some aluminum alloy wheels to detach.
Huh?
Or aluminium. I know that irritates you.
It's not aluminium. No. Now, the recall affects 2016 to 2021 Civic models with 18-inch accessory wheels, though only just over 3,000 wheels were actually faulty. They just don't know what cars they put them on.
Well, the good news, and this is from Honda, that no detachments have happened here in the United States.
That's good, but it's still a smart idea, right, to go and get it checked out, right?
For sure. You want to go to check out your local Honda dealer, and again, mahalo to Honda for the voluntary recall. So they're doing this on their own, yeah?
Yes, absolutely. Now, in other words, in other news, welcome to day 38 of the U.S. government shutdown. Okay, well, it appears that both sides are feeling the pressure from us. Yes, so let's keep their phones ringing, and it looks like the Senate might actually work through the weekend. We'll keep you keep you on tabs on that.
We'll see if that happens. The disappointing part of it is that millions of people and thousands of people here in Hawaii are being affected by the SNAP benefits. We got some local people that have been furloughed or laid off. So this is terrible. I mean, I just want to say, I gotta say, come together, figure this out. This is what you guys get paid for.
I think the tough thing is watching federal workers or essential workers continue to work after, I think this is like third paycheck already coming up that they have not received yet. So again, if you receive SNAP benefits, it's going to be important that we get help.
Yeah.
We need help.
Actually, a federal judge ordered that SNAP payments be made in full to states by Friday. Oh, today is Friday.
Hey!
Yay! But Agricultural Secretary Brooke Rollins said it's going to take several weeks because it's just chaotic there in Washington, D.C.
Yeah, it's nuts. But we're praying for our families. And while we're praying, there are organizations that are stepping into the work and getting it done. There are delays expected as Hawaii Food Bank does step up that aid. In the meantime, our nonprofits are really, they're doing an incredible job. Just yesterday, right, Thursday, Hawaii Food Bank held its largest relief distribution event at Aloha Stadium. More than 2,000 people signed up for food assistance. About 400 cars came through every hour.
That is so cool. That must have been so rewarding for the volunteers that were handing out the boxes to see so many people coming in and not being shamed.
Yeah.
That's out the window.
You cannot eat your shame.
Exactly.
You got to feed your family. You cannot feed your family on shame. So please, but if you need the help, there is one coming up on Sunday. Food Bank is hosting a drive-through pickup at Leeward Community College from 8 to 12 noon. Of course, it's always best to register, right?
Yeah,
so
for sure.
Get to the website.
Yeah, actually, you can go to our website, kitv.com/links.
Oh, thank you,
we have
brother.
we aggregated all the different websites for Food Bank on the different islands and the food basket over on Hawaii Island. So definitely do that. Also stepping up is the Office of Hawaiian Affairs. Last year, Chair Kaeli to give us kind of an overview of the plan, but in the meeting yesterday, OHA hammered out the details.
That's right. Kupuna, low-income adults, and people with disabilities who receive SNAP benefits could be getting $350 in gift cards, and furloughed Native Hawaiian federal workers could receive up to $1,200 in aid.
This is cool. So the whole bucket is like 6.1 million.
Yes.
So I'm glad that they stepped up, as we've been saying all morning, the different organizations and our nonprofits. By the way, if you do qualify for the OHA aid, you got to be Native Hawaiian.
Well, you should definitely be on the OHA Hawaiian registry.
I think that's the first step.
Yes.
Second step would be apply, and that application opens up on Monday, November 10th, through the Hawaiian Council's website. They're going to be handling the intake and then the verification. And beneficiaries can learn more at oha.org. We also put it up on our website at kitv.com.
That's right.
/links.
Beautiful.
All right, so we're trying to get so much help out to our Ohana out there. What's the scoops with you? What do you think about all the things we just talked about? Of course, the Honda recall. Is there too many vehicle recalls this year? And then, of course, OHA stepping up and the Hawaii Food Bank jumping in on the action to provide aid for our local families.
That's right. Well. Feel free to let us know by sending an email at islandlifelive@kitv.com or post a comment directly to this video on our YouTube page. All you got to do is search out KITV.